Why religiousness is easier than spirituality? If you ask for remedy someone that you have to chant mantra, they will do. You have to go to this particular temple and you have to do fast on this particular day. This particular temple, you donate this much to priest and all these things. This much money you give to priest and all. People will follow. But if you ask someone to do meditation, nobody will do. Nobody is ready to do meditation. Why? Just check. What is Dharma? Dharma is all fire signs like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The central nakshatra of Aries is Bharani, which is a Venus nakshatra. Central nakshatra of Leo is Purfalguni, Venus nakshatra. And central nakshatra of Sagittarius is Purvashada, which is a Venus nakshatra. So this is very easy to do. Although Tapasya Venus did to gain something is huge. Nobody will be able to do. But Venus is a soft planet. But moksha houses, all the water signs, that is Cancer, central nakshatra is Pushya, Saturn Lord, Scorpio, central nakshatra Anuradha, Saturn Lord, and Piscean, central nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada, Saturn Lord. So Saturn is very scary and very strict. So for any of the religious practices, you can ask. People do ask, भगवान मुझे ये चाहिए, भगवान मुझे वो चाहिए. Please मेरे बेटे का रिजल्ट अच्छा करा दो. Please मेरा सैलरी बढ़ा दो. ये करो वो करो. They ask. They do chanting. They go to temple and they ask for things. But in spirituality, in meditation, you cannot ask anything. You actually cannot ask anything. You have to accept. Whatever happens, you have to accept. If you accept, then only, if you have that kind of attitude, only then you can continue to meditate. Or if you meditate, only then you will grow that kind of nature of accepting everything. Whatever wrong thing is happening to me, like I have done something very good to friends, so even then the friends are avoiding me when I am in trouble. So you accept that thing. Don't mix up, don't mingle with those friends. When I was sick, none of the neighbors visited me, but when my neighbors were sick, I visited all of them. So accept it and stop visiting all your neighbors. So this is acceptance, and only if you can meditate, you can accept the truth. Otherwise, you will not accept the truth and you will continue doing for those people, and those people will continue avoiding, cheating, and just ignoring you.